In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate YouTube description using ChatGPT. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to get a polished description for your video, using clear prompts and a few smart details so the result fits your style and helps with discoverability. First, open ChatGPT and start a fresh conversation. A new chat gives you a clean slate so the model focuses only on your current video. If you're on the web or a mobile app, it works the same way. Once you're in, your very first message should make your goal obvious. You can say something like, "Create a YouTube description for my video." Stating the task up front sets the direction and makes the response more accurate. Next, add the specific details you care about. This is where you guide tone, SEO, and keywords. If you want an upbeat, friendly voice, say that. If your channel leans educational or professional, mention it. For SEO, include the keywords people would realistically search for and ask for them to be woven in naturally. You can also note the audience, such as beginners or advanced viewers, and the overall intent, like tutorials, reviews, or announcements. The more precisely you express your preferences here, the more the description will sound like you. Now, provide the exact YouTube video title. The title anchors the description, helps the model understand the main topic, and supports consistency between your headline and the body text. If your title already contains key phrases, great. ChatGPT can mirror those in the first lines of the description, which is valuable for both viewers and search. After the title, add any additional instructions you want ChatGPT to follow. Think of these as prompts that shape the structure. For example, you can request a short hook in the first sentence, a concise summary of what viewers will learn, a friendly call to action to like and subscribe, and a short list of relevant keywords integrated seamlessly. If you have specific phrases that must appear, include them here. You can also ask for a clear, skimmable format with short paragraphs, so it looks good on both desktop and mobile. Finally, send your prompt and wait a moment. ChatGPT will draft your YouTube description based on everything you provided. That's all there is to it. With a clear goal, your title, and a few thoughtful details about tone and SEO, you'll get a strong, ready-to-use description that supports your content and helps viewers quickly understand why they should watch.